have these two cardigans. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. So I have this crop tank on already, slim pants, which I love from Abercrombie. Hi, I'm Con from Sweet and Petite, and I'm getting ready for my interview with Emily Chang. I am filming a little day in the life with Bloomberg today. I think I want to go monochrome because I love a good monochrome moment. This cardigan is the one from J. Crew that I love. Very neutral, very me. I finished with this little belt from Express. I love the little gold button details on this cardigan and these croissant huggy earrings. These are the ones from Anthro that I love. Neutral lip, of course. Signature curls. And this cardigan is the best. It's like a really nice little cropped length, really cute with jeans, pants like this, and that is the final look. So I actually went full-time with my business this year. All thanks to LTK, I think that they've just given an incredible platform for people to be able to make this a full-time career, which is amazing. If you're not familiar with me already, I actually started my blog when I was a full-time tech recruiter. And then earlier this year, I actually was laid off from my job, and it kind of created this opportunity. And so it's been really incredible to kind of look back on the business that, you know, I've built for the last 7 years, and that now it's turned into a full-blown career. I'm super excited about the interview. This is my first time doing anything like this, so I'm really excited to share more about me and share more of my home. I really wanted to be a part of this opportunity. I love the LTK community and platform and getting to highlight more about what they do for creators. On a daily basis, I wake up, I check my analytics in the morning. I love getting to see kind of what my audience is loving and what they want me to share more of. You guys, the LTK team is here. Bloomberg just got here and they're all set up. You guys, we have a very exciting outfit of the day today. I have a special guest with me. Emily Chang from Bloomberg is here filming a segment with me.
Well, I guess I'm also doing a monochrome moment, which we did not plan.
And we are gonna share our segment soon, so stay tuned.